Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in Proton Calendar step by step. Setting the correct time zone ensures your meetings, appointments, and reminders appear at the right local time, especially if you travel frequently or work with people in different regions. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer or mobile device and sign in with your Proton account. Wait for your calendar to load completely before making any changes. Next, open the Settings menu by clicking the Settings icon or your Account menu, depending on the version of Proton Calendar you're using. Look for the time zone, date and time, or calendar settings section. Now, click or tap the current time zone to view the available options. Search for the city or time zone you want to use, then select it from the list. Make sure you choose the correct time zone so your events display at the proper local time. After selecting the new time zone, save your changes if prompted. Proton Calendar will automatically update your calendar view and display your events according to the selected time zone. Existing events will keep their scheduled times while being shown correctly for your new location. If you travel often, check whether your version of Proton Calendar supports automatically updating your time zone based on your device settings. This can help keep your schedule accurate without manually changing the time zone each time you travel. And that's it. You now know how to change the time zone in Proton Calendar and make sure your meetings, reminders, and appointments always appear at the correct local time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.